in around Atlanta. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time it is. I just hope it's a good time for you. It is your guy, your Atlanta and around Atlanta luxury listing agent Tristan Jones. You know the motto, list your home with Tristan Jones. What I need you guys to do is to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so anytime I drop new videos, you be the first ones to know. And if you have a friend that knows a friend, send them the link, let them hit the like button, the subscribe button, and let's get everybody into their dream home this year. My goal is 50 homes from this page alone. If I can help 50 families buy or sell their home this year from this page alone, that will be my goal. Without any further ado, let's get to it. Today we are in Roswell, Georgia, in the Lassiter High School District, East Cobb to be exact. Hurry up and let's go, and you can get a chance to take advantage of the $20,000 buyer incentive that can be used toward upgrades, closing costs, buying down the rates on the homes, anything. But you have to act before February 29th to use that. So let's go. These homes sit in a private cul-de-sac. You can choose your finishings. You can choose how you want your cabinet. When I say custom, I mean custom. You know the deal. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below to let me know what you guys are looking for. If there's anything in particular you want to find or you want to see, let me go find it for you. Tristan Jones, 916-272-0520. Moving around Atlanta. Hope you enjoy. Hey, right now it's still a great time to sell. Give me a call, 916-272-0520. This channel alone has already helped me list and sell over a dozen homes for top dollar for my clients. You can be next. Let's get it done. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment down below and let me know what kind of home you would like to see previewed next.